How to download CityPool mining app on Android. Are you guys facing issues to download CityPool crypto mining app on Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To download the app on your Android device, first of all, head over to the Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now just simply tap on search bar and search for CityPool crypto mining app. After search for it, you can see this option for CityPool crypto mining app. Just simply tap on this icon. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you can see this option for install. If you are looking to install it, just simply tap on install. After you click on install, the app will start to download on your Android device. It will take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So once it gets downloaded, it will appear on your mobile home screen. So once it gets downloaded, just simply tap on it and create account and you are ready to go. That's it guys, that's how we're gonna download CityPool. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.